Experiencing no sound on your EETV box is frustrating, but most audio issues can be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. Let's work through the most effective solutions. First, perform these basic checks. Ensure your EETV box remote isn't muted. Look for a mute icon on screen. Check that your TV volume is turned up. Then test different channels to see if the problem is channel-specific. If basic checks don't solve the problem, focus on HDMI connections. HDMI handshake problems between your EETV box and TV are the most common cause of audio issues. Start by power cycling both your EETV box and TV. Unplug both devices from power for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This resets the HDMI handshake process. Next, disconnect and reconnect your HDMI cable firmly. Try plugging into different HDMI ports on your TV. Make sure you're using high-speed HDMI cables rated for 4K content, as older cables can cause audio problems. According to industry data from 2024 to 2025, approximately 73% of EETV audio issues are resolved simply through HDMI cable replacement or switching to different ports. This makes HDMI troubleshooting your best first approach. These HDMI troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of EETV box audio problems. If you still have no sound after trying these solutions, the next step is to check your audio settings, which we'll cover in the advanced troubleshooting section. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your EETV box sound issues, it's time to dive into advanced audio settings. We'll start by accessing your EETV box audio configuration menu. In the Audio Settings menu, locate the Audio Output Format option. This is often set to Auto or Surround by default, but changing it to Stereo can resolve many compatibility issues with your TV. Another common issue is accidentally enabled audio description. This accessibility feature provides spoken descriptions of visual content which can interfere with normal audio. Make sure this option is disabled in your audio settings. Now we need to configure your TV's audio settings. Access your TV's audio menu and ensure the audio input source matches the HDMI port you're using for your EETV box connection. If you're not using a soundbar, disable any audio return channel or ARC-C settings on your TV. ARC is designed for soundbar connections, and having it enabled without a soundbar can cause audio routing conflicts. As a last resort, you may need to perform a factory reset of your EETV box. Before doing this, document all your current settings, as you'll need to reconfigure everything afterward. If problems persist after trying all these solutions, it's time to contact EE support. Prepare specific information including your TV model, EETV box version, and a detailed description of the issue to help them assist you effectively.